Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to do pre-orders in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account where your website is. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites you have. And what you want to do is go ahead and open up your website. So after opening up your website, it's going to look like this. And now we can get started with managing it right here at the left side screen, finding all the sections we can access such as pages, styles, and so on. What we want to do guys is to go ahead and open up pages. In your pages section, you'll be able to manage your store. If you do not have a store, what you want to do is click the plus button right here and then add your store right here, after which you'll be able to access your store and find all the products that you have. So now when we can access our products right here, what we want to do is find the product we want to make pre-orders for. So I'm going to click the three dots next to the product and click edit. After clicking edit guys, this is now going to open up this new page where we can get started seeing how to make pre-orders. And as you can see right here on the official support website of pre-orders on Squarespace, you can see this is how it's done. Basically, you want to set the stock level of your product first. So I'm going to go into inventory, and as you can see, we can select the price and stock. So I'm going to select the stock and unlimited so that we can go ahead and always have a pre-order available. And now after that, you can see we can go ahead and get started with adding the pre-order details. So you want to go into the product description, and in the details section, you want to put into the description that pre-orders are available for that from that and that time so that your buyers will know that. And once you're finished with that, we can now go ahead and change the add to cart button. So guys, as you can see, it's always going to say add to cart once they go ahead and do the checkout on your page. So what you want to do is go into product editor and scroll to checkout. So we're going to go into checkout right here. As you can see, we want to go ahead and click on custom button. After clicking custom button, you can click on enable custom label, and you want to change this to pre-order so that they know once they're clicking on it, they're going to be pre-ordering it. You can apply it, and now instead of a get order option, it's going to say pre-order and your buyers will know so. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Seriously, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.